They really do want to know who you are. They don't know who you are. They always see me, but they don't know who you are, right? So who are you? Tell them.
Makai.
Makai who? Makai? Just Makai? Okay. Well, this is just Makai. He's my son. You guys always see my face on here all the time. Well, we brought our guest, Makai, on the show, right? So, it was Almond Day the other day, and we're going to do this awesome Figgy Almond Toastilla pocket. So, back in the day, there was this awesome Italian family, and basically they had this yummy creation with figs, and they took goat cheese, and they put it on there, and they drizzled some honey on there, and we kind of took that recipe and kind of twisted it a little bit, and we took, instead of goat cheese, because a lot of people just don't like goat cheese that much. Do you like goat cheese? Yeah, see, there's no way I was going to be able to get it like this. So we used cream cheese. You like cream cheese, right? Of course, right? Who doesn't like cream cheese? So we did a Toastilla twist. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our Toastilla, right? And we're going to put a flour tortilla on here, right? But you know what we're going to do first? We're going to take that bowl. We're going to take that bowl, and you're going to mix in. So we got some figs in here with some apricots, okay? It's a little bit chunked up and everything. We're going to put that in there. All right. Cool, get it in there. All right, awesome. Now we're going to take some of that cream cheese. You're going to put it in there. Just, there's a spoon. Awesome. Grab the spoon, see if you knock it in there. Okay, cool. Now, get some almonds. Put in some almonds in there. Done deal. Now this is the fun part. That's why I chose you. Okay? You're going to take that spoon. And you're going to just... But without trying to make a mess. Ooh, that's challenging, right? That's going to be the challenge. So everybody's watching. Okay? So we're going to see if you can mix that cream cheese up. What do you think? You think you're going to be able to do it? No? Come on. So good. Okay, you take a flour tortilla, put it on the Toastilla right there. There you go. Okay, now take a good spoonful of, there you go. Get that, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's see, get some more in there. Get some more in there. Ooh. Guys, this is gonna be so yummy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, get that in there. Now, what do you think? Should we drizzle it or should we after? We drizzle now. Let's do a little drizzle. Okay, guys. Here we're going to do a little drizzle. Little drizzle. Watch this. Ooh, come on. Here we go. Who doesn't love honey, right? And this honey right here, guys, isn't your normal store-bought honey. This is some local honey we get from where we live here, from a local farmer. And it's always the best to get the local farm honey from where you're at, especially if you've got like allergies you deal with all the time like I do. Definitely helps. Cool. See, now see, look at that, guys. Oh, dude. You're rocking it. Look at that. Sweet. Dude. Cool, we're good. You want to push it down? Awesome. Look at that. Tell me that's not cool. Good job, man. High five on that. Right, you rocked it. Cool. So now that's going to pop out. And what's going to come out is this delicious cream cheesy with some ooey gooey, some fig in there. Oh, dude, it's gonna be delicioso. It popped, and we're gonna pull it out right now. Want to get it? Ooh, yum! All right, let's put it down and see what it does. Sweet. All right, now let's cut it. Let's see. Ooh, it's warm. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, sometimes it can be warm. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Yum. You want to take a bite first? No? Look at that. The honey's so good. Oh, you're going to love it. You're going to so want to try this, guys. Make this. And let me know how it turned out. Thanks, guys, for watching. See ya.